Hello and welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this tutorial we can discuss how to remove watermark on video. First, open the Play Store and search Video Eraser Remove Watermark. And install this app. After installing, select the Remove Video Watermark option. Then select the video whose watermark you want to remove. Place the effect above the watermark and hide video watermark. After applying the effect, export your video. I hope this video will be helping for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials.